I want to show you how high Ai16z can go. Actually, it's now called Eliza OS, formerly known as Ai16z. How high can it go? I'm going to show you. If it sounds interesting, drop the like, give me subscribe. This is my price prediction on where I think Eliza OS can go. Ai16z, do you hold this? I've been buying this religiously. And if you're a patron of mine, you've been seeing the buy alerts. You know, the cheapest market cap size, or the lowest market cap size I was able to buy Eliza OS was right down here. Oh, let me thingy. Right down here of 212 million market cap. So we're dealing with a mid cap. This isn't no high risk play, no high risk, 2 million market cap. This has already got substance. This has already got huge partnerships. We'll take a quick look at the price. 20 cents right now, 230 million market cap. So it's up a little bit from where the lowest price entry that I bought. And I think it's going to continue to surge in the future. But this has got substance because when you look at its partnerships, Aethia, Arbitrum, big names you're talking, BNB, Ethereum Foundation, there's big giants in this crypto space that are using the framework, Ton Network, they're using the framework for Ai16z, Eliza OS, because it's proven to be really good for what it can offer when it comes to making things autonomous using its AI agents framework, which is, yeah, no, just said it. Just look into it more, right? See, this is research, but look into it more. I like it. So this is the branding. What's this? Now the future. I just saw something on this. The Ai16 crew dropped their Eliza OS rebrand, and it got us curious about the tech behind it. What I know for sure is that every time I see something about new projects coming in, doing something with AI agents, it's always linked to Ai16z, Eliza OS. Always linked. They're using the framework. So I believe this is going to hold a huge, huge part in the crypto space, especially with the big names that are behind it. Right, look, if it was to do a 5x return from where the lowest price entry of 212 million, it goes to a $1 billion market cap. Can it do it? It's already done it. Matter of fact, it went double this. This is down 10x from its price. 10x. Let me show you the chart. It's had a disgusting drop. It's down 10x. Actually, I can bring this further down. When this goes back to, actually, let me just measure it up to check, because I had like a green line to show how high it would go when it is. And I know, yeah, I've kind of done it. I've kind of moved this to as low as it was down here. We're talking 93%. Right, but when it goes back to all-time highs, which is this green line here, right? Because I kind of did a green line upwards, showing when it goes back to its all-time. Oh, look, I've done it up and beyond. Let me bring it down a bit. When it goes back to its all-time high, it's more than 10x. That's a 1,600% pump. That's 16x return. $2.46 was its highest, which puts it at a 2.4, almost a $2.5 billion market cap. So I know it can go to $1 billion. This is easily going to surge to $1 billion. $1 billion is about here. I'll show you $1 billion because $1 is $1 billion. Somewhere there. And I think that's going to be, you'll see. You'll see. Dribble. You're going to see it. So I'm very excited to be able to buy a mid-cap crypto at such a sort of lowish market cap instead of paying when it's, prices right up here, $3 a piece. Still of a buy. When it does a 10x, it goes to 2.12 billion. I already told you it went as high as 2.4 billion. It's the cleanest 10x anyone's going to get. With a more safer play, and this is not financial advice, do what you want to do. I don't care what you do. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. And if you're a patron, you've been seeing my alerts. This is my most recent buy alert. I'm grabbing more now. I see me making millions off of Ai16z, Eliza OS, right? 2.12 million was the lowest price entry, 19 cents. So when you look at the price now at the time of recording this video, you're not far off from where I was buying. Because right now it's 21 cents. You can see here, right? Top right corner, 21 cents. Watch what happens. If this starts to come back up and reach this yellow line, watch the FOMO kick in. Everyone's going to be rushing to buy it. Because you're going to be pissed that you missed the opportunity to grab it at 20 cents a piece. That's all I can say. Let me continue.
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 Okay, yeah, so, yeah. I know. Right, so when it does a 15x return, it goes like this. $3.18 billion. Can it do it? I think it can reach this 50x box. You know, about a month and a half ago when it was sitting about a billion, 1.2 billion, I said, look, there's not much room in it, really. Maybe 10x if you're lucky, 10x. But because it's fallen so damn much, down 93%, I now think it has up to 50x return based on this 212 million buy. Based on that down there, it has up to 50x return. And I think it will become one of the biggest AI projects, or at least it has the potential to, if the team continues to do well and not mess people about, you know, if everything stays legit, everything stays good, then yeah, it could do that. So in the UK, we used to say kushti. If it stays kushti, hood. You know? So yeah, I don't use that, but yeah. So if it does a 20x, it goes like this, bang, $4.24 billion. Can it bring that kind of money in? 20x. If you're looking for a safe play, I say safe-ish. Again, we're talking a project that has partnerships with big names, right? If you're looking for a safe play, this in AI, where maybe you've got a bit more money, like 5,000s, 7,000, but you don't want to risk it in low caps because, you know, some can be risky. Maybe this is it for you. Maybe it is, because I know what it is for me. I've been putting big money in this. And if you watch my channel, you'll see it, right? If it does a 50x return, where I think the maximum it can do on this current cycle probably is $10 billion mark. If it goes beyond that, wow, shock me, please do. Because people just become rich if you've been throwing the money that I've been kind of throwing at this. But I think it has up to a 50x return. Because when it was $1 billion, I was saying, maybe 10x goes to 10 billion. That's what I was saying. And now that puts it at a 50x return with a mid cap where not much risk compared to these lower ones. What do you think? Drop your comments down below. Where do you think this can go? Do you hold this? If it was to 100x, it goes to $21 billion. Can it do it? Should I hold on? Because, you know, I might start getting shook. When it gets to like just a 2 billion, I've made big money. I'm in the millions with this. If it gets to 4 billion, I'm in multiple millions. I don't know if I could hold it that long. I might get shook. If when it gets to 10, I've got serious flipping money. At that point, I'm looking at serious, it's like lottery winning on just one coin alone, one coin. But the question is, can I hold it this long? It's like flipping deal. I know. You know, they make a game where you got to pull the stick out quickly, hold it too long. You just got to pull out quick. What's my pull out game saying? I need to practice my pull out. When are you pulling out? Let me know when you're pulling out. I don't know if I can hold this long. 21 billion. I think I would have pulled out a long time since then. But you stick around to the channel because you're going to see when I'm pulling out. If it does a 250x return, it goes to $53 billion. I ain't waiting that long. It could do it, and I could be pissed off because I could make $50 million. But I'm just too shook to wait that long. I think my pull-out game is down there somewhere. If it does we on for. If it does a 500x, goes to 106 billion. Where's your pull-out game? I swear to you, I'm going to be dropping this over the next 3 months because when market's going crazy, I'm just going to be asking everyone, where's your pull-out game? Because you don't want to be stuck in this game for too long when the markets come tumbling down and crashing. You need to have a good pull-out game. Can you hold this long? My pull-out's right down here. When it does a 500x, 106 billion, 1,000x puts this at $212 billion. Can ElizaOS Ai16z do it? I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. I think it's going to be max here. But you tell me, 10 billion is my pull out. I might pull out before that, but you know, you guys tell me, all right? Become a Patreon. The link is in the info section. Click it, come over. I've got a bunch of different tiers. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. It unlocks all the posts. You will see my pull out game. Yeah? You see when I'm pulling out. You don't want to miss it because I'll tell you what, when things get heated up and everyone's excited, I'm going to be paying attention, knowing when to sell. Yeah, if you can't afford it, my CEO tier gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. It unlocks all the posts you'll see when I'm back. Well, you see all of that, but you get just more. I'm not with it. I'm thinking about my pull-out game. In here, there's some smart heads. They're buying crypto all the time before I buy it, and then they're showing me, and I'm going, right, actually, that's kind of good. Let me buy some. Then I'm dropping the buy alert. Then people over there buying. You get edge on the market. They understand trends quick. There's millionaires in the group that know how to make money. They're showing you what they're doing with their money. Come be part of a powerful network. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.